Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So determine if this series will converge or if it will diverge. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we are going to use the absolute convergence test. So with the absolute convergence test, we need to look at the absolute version of what we're trying to investigate. We are trying to investigate this, but we should look at the absolute version of that. Well, the absolute version of what we're trying to investigate would be us discarding this thing here. So the absolute version of this would be this. So it's saying if you look at the absolute version and it converges, then the original thing that you're trying to investigate, that's this thing here, will also converge. So it's saying we need to investigate this. It's saying that we should look at the absolute version of what we're trying to investigate. So the absolute version of this would be this. Now, if this thing here converge, then the original thing will also converge. So let's look at the absolute version here. So the absolute version, if you look at inverse tan of whatever is in here, inverse tan looks something like this. Inverse tan will look something like this. So this would be pi over 2. Well, pi over, because this thing here is always less than pi over 2, then we can actually say that well, replace this block here with pi over 2. This block here will always be bigger than this block here. So we can say that the whole thing here is always bigger or equal to this thing here. So well, this is a constant. We can take it out. So now it looks like this. So you've got a constant multiplying with this series. Well, this series will converge because this is bigger than 1. So if this thing here converge, when you times a constant, the whole thing will be a definite number. Well, if this whole thing here converge, then this thing here will converge. Well, if this thing here converge, going back to here, if the absolute version, which is this thing here, converge, then the original thing that you're trying to investigate, will also converge. So this thing here will converge. Okay.